हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आप सबको आपके एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन्स में एप्लीकेशंस पे ऐप लॉक लगाना सिखाऊंगा। सो फर्स्ट ओपन सेटिंग्स ऑफ योर डिवाइस, देन सर्च इट फॉर ऐप log, then click app lock apps, then on the right corner tap on this settings logo, and follow the steps that I am doing. And then click on the apps that you want to have in app lock. And then do back, and now you are ready with your app locks. Then to test, open any of the app that you have chosen for app lock. Then just draw your pattern, and now you have opened your any app. So friends, I hope you all understood it very well. Thank you.